Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubras. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Forex trading. Are you losing money in Forex trading? If yes, this video is for you. Okay, so here I have only three steps. I'm going to provide you only three steps. And then if you trade based on those three steps, then you can recover your loss and you'll be profitable. These are three steps. They are very simple and everybody knows knows those three steps, but the major problem is that they didn't apply in the practice. That's the major point. So how to apply that in practice, I'm going to teach in this video. Let's see, those are three steps. First is know the general trend. Second one is identify support and resistance label. Third one is setting entry and exit point. So, to understand the importance of knowing the general trend, let's go in the chart and then I will explain there how important is knowing the chart, general trend, okay? So let's see here. Here, this is the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart of pound versus US dollar. Just check this corner here. It's a 1.27. 1 pound is equal to $1.27. Here you can see clearly the market trend is bullish. Okay. If you take hourly or 5 minute or 15 minutes, you can't find the general trend. You can find the big trend, okay? So don't use those candles or that type of chart to find out the general trend. Just use the daily chart. If you use a daily chart, you can find the most reliable trend. Okay, so here what I say is that if you find market is a bullish trend, market is in bullish trend, just buy it. Do not sell. Do not go both way, selling, buying, selling, buying. Don't go that. You will be in trap if you do that. Just wait for the market to go down. Find out, get the discounted price and buy it and wait for a few days. You'll have a significant profit. Okay, keep on do that. Keep on do that. And when market trend change, for example, from here, market trend has changed. Okay, if a market trend change and it is bearish, just keep on selling. Try to find the higher price and then sell it. Okay. So if you are in the right direction, then you'll never lose money. As for example, let's say that this level, if you sold in this level, after a few days, you can see that the market bounce back to around 400 pips. Okay, but after a few days, it again drops and finally goes below, again up, going down, up, down. So you can catch anytime. You don't need to be worried. Just you need to have right trade size based on your equity. If you are that, if you have enough equity, no need to worry. If you know the general trend, market will come back at that label very soon. But if you are in wrong direction, if you don't know the general trend, then let's say that if you have a bought this label, so here, so almost 1 year, the market didn't return back to that label, and then even if you had a small trade size, your loss will be very high. Okay, so first thing is that know the general trend and then determine whether you will be bearish or bullish. Don't be both bullish and bearish. That's the first thing. Second thing is identifying support and resistance label. It is very important because most of the people, most of the traders, they trade based on this support and resistance label. The market finds it very hard to cross those labels. If it crosses, then it will be confirmed that market will be either that bullish or bearish. For example, let's say that this point 1.26, this is the resistance label, and 1.248, this is the support label of GBP, okay, against US dollar. Several times it touched support label, reached to resistance, tries to break it, again come back in that same label, and it is moving in that same frame. Okay, so you need to understand that when it crosses this label, it's a very high chance to rise the market, to rise the price. If it crosses this label, it's a very high chance to fall the market. But you need to understand that if one candle crosses this label, next candle should support that candle, so that it's a very high chance to rise the price. Sometimes a false breakout, you can see false breakout. Here you can see clearly this is the false breakout. This is the hourly candle. Next candle that immediately supported, immediately rised, and then that was followed by another green and another green. So after that it keep on going up. Okay, so in order to trade, you need to find out support and resistance label, and the third point is setting your entry and exit point. So if you buy here, your exit point will be somewhere else here, because you know that this is the resistance point, and then it's very difficult to cross this point. If it crosses, then this one will be the support, so you can change your stop loss from here somewhere else, from here this label to this label. Just change your stop loss and wait to increase your profit. But you need to be careful that from this level market can drop again. That's the reason. Okay, so this level somewhere, you have to set exit point, and then if it gains again from here, you can buy again. Okay, so if you do that, let's say that if you enter here the 1.248 this label, and if you exit this label, you'll have around 100 pips. Yeah, that's more than enough for one day. So you can't do like that. So find out suitable entry point. When you enter, at that time, be careful that at least like a 5 minutes candle that should cross the moving average. And when one candle cross another candle, you need to wait for the confirmation. When next candle confirms, then you can enter into the market. Okay, first find out the support, then moving average, first candle cross, and second candle confirms. And when you enter there, you will be definitely profitable. For example, let's see that one. Quickly, let's check that one. Okay, let's go there. I'm going to show that in yesterday's chart. It's very useful. Okay, so I'm going to show you here. See, this is the 1 minute chart, and this is the support level that I marked, and then I knew that from this label the market will rise, and I waited here, and then I didn't enter into the market until the first candle cross, second candle here did not confirm, so that I didn't enter here. Again I wait, keep on waiting. Here first candle it cross, and the second candle it confirms. Okay, it's also green, and from this level I entered into the market and waited until it reached to this level. Okay, so from here to here, so more than 100 pips I easily earned. So that first find out the support resistance and wait for to get the confirmation. When you get at least a confirmation from 1 minute chart, just enter it with a stop loss and wait for your target. So you will not lose money. Even it goes opposite direction to you. It is 1 minute chart. If you put a stop loss here somewhere else, like 1.247, yeah, this label, if you put this label just 5 pips down, you can lose just 5 pips, but earning will be 100 pips. So do this, and then definitely you will be profitable. You can recover your loss if you have been lost. I hope that you enjoy this video. Just like the video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any comment, just write down in the comment box. Thank you very much.